Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video at Moorhead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Well, today on our video, we have got the farmer's worst nightmare. Think of one of the worst things that can happen to you when you're farming, growing crops, stuff like that, is bugs, worms, insects taking over your garden. Well, I think they found it at just the right time. Or they're going to affect our crop a little bit, but we're going to be able to harvest some of it as well. The worms got into our corn. Now they're all pretty much ready, and they're just on the very tip of it for the most part. So we got the family out here, and we're going to go through here. We're going to just pull all the corn out, and we're going to start shucking it and processing it and seeing what we have left over. So, all right, kiddos.
Got the trash bag?
Got your bag? Yep. We're going to go through here and just, hey, look, right here. Just grab it from the top like this.
Grab it.
Pull down. It'll break off just like
all
that.
Of it?
Pull it all the way down. There you go. Beautiful.
Got it.
Did you get it?
Good job.
That's a good one. Oh, it's stuck. Daddy, it's stuck. It's a good one. This one already has a hole in it. This one's doing a lot better than last year.
All right, that's going to have to be enough footage for now. I'm going to get busy, help them get this knocked out because it's pretty warm. I don't want to stand behind the camera and make them do all the work. So catch you guys when we have it all bagged. I was on that row over there, so I just tossed them out there. All right, we got us a pile right there. Right there, I just threw all those out from these last two rows. Quite a bit. Worms got quite a bit of it actually. Probably more than what we expected at first. But we're about to have a shucking party here, and we will we'll figure it out.
What's that mean?
Figure out exactly what we have.
What's shucking mean?
Taking all the outside of the corn off. Go pick that up. It's off the watermelon. And we do have some watermelons popping up right over here, so super pumped about that.
Why is this one over here?
What's up, Mama?
It's a good day.
That's quite the handful there, sis.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Alright, I think that's all.
One.
All right, there's our corn pile. It's not huge, but it'll definitely feed us. It should for the year. We still had I think we had 7, 8 rows, something like that.
1, 2, 3,
6,
4,
7.
5, 6.
Either way, it put off enough. If the dadgum worms wouldn't have got to it, I think it's going to cost us a little bit. But let's shuck a few
Just cut
for
the
you.
ends off.
Let's hand me that big one on top right there.
Here?
Yeah, that one. No visible hole.
Some of them.
Wait, there's a little bitty hole right there. Right there, you can see it.
This one.
So
Baby hole on this one.
we'll see how much it's messed up. So you just grab them like this and you pull it all the way down.
Grab and pull. Pull hard.
Grab and pull, huh?
Yeah,
Let's see here.
It's fun.
Yep. We've got some damage in there.
Ew.
There he is. See him?
There he is.
Oh.
There they are.
Hey.
Yeah, there's 2 of them.
No.
Just cut that top off. It'll be good.
Well, one fell off, but you can see.
Don't throw them on me.
One fell off, but you can see right there what we're working with.
Ooh, I can feel some stuff in here.
So what we'll do, we'll just go a couple kernels below, cut that off, and we'll have like a mini corn on the cob.
Mini.
Mine is like almost gone.
Are we shucking right here? Or we moving it up?
We'll just shuck right here.
Ew.
Yep, that's a worm.
So we'll just
I
put,
can already see one.
once you shuck them, we'll put them in
I can
here.
already see one.
How do you take the worm out?
Just knock it off.
Just knock it
I'm
off.
not touching that thing.
Look.
Oh, did I almost landed on me. Let's see if there's any more.
Oh, it's in the bag right there. Well, it has been about an hour and we got the big old pile, got all shucked out, got it all trimmed up for the most part. I'll show you a few kernels.
I got water. We got water.
Still got to do some cleaning on it, but I do, you know, just got about a half out of that one, but got to take what you can get. So we got about, I'm guessing by the weight of this bag, probably about 40 pounds of corn. So not bad. That will last us the year. We got enough potatoes to last us the year. We're going to be putting the potatoes and stuff down in the cellar. Shortly, I got to build some racks for them and some stuff like that to get them up on so where the air can flow through there. But gosh, now we need to cut okra.
We just did it last night.
I'm telling you, there's okra everywhere.
Yeah, I just.
This is crazy. There's a few things of corn we left that weren't quite ready. If the worms get to it, they get to it. But kind of taking a chance to see if they'll make. Got a few tomatoes to pick, but overall, we're pretty much done for the evening. Don't know if this will be all you see on this video or not, or if I'll get some more footage, but like I said, this is what we're in today is a farmer's worst nightmare with insects and worms and stuff destroying your crops. Really stinks, but we're still able to harvest about 40 pounds of corn. The waste pile, I'll just show it to you. There's the waste pile down there. The ends we cut off. Lindy's gathering up a few over there that we weren't able to shuck because they were just ate up. But overall, I guess it turned out the best it could with worms getting into your crop. So not a whole lot of waste, and we're still able to get about 40 pounds of corn on the cob. So thumbs up. Well, we got this mess all cleaned up now. I'm going to take the wagon to the goat pen. I let them munch through it for a few days and see exactly what they want. And then we'll pick the rest up out of there. You ready?
And Huddy's coming with us. Hunter, he threw the water bottle.
Huddy, you coming, buddy?
Yeah, he threw Hunter's water bottle.
Ready?
Yeah.
Wagon master? Let's go.
I'm the Huddy master. Look at all that weed! Yeah, look at that!
That's good, huh? straight up. There we go.
Nice. Now, hold on, or you can just. Yeah. I'd rather do this. Now, you do this. Whoa. No. Oh. What the? Nice.
Hey, there's all that corn here eating me. Look at her. All that corn and she's eating me. Ow, she bit me.
Hey, Dolly.
Hey, the food's over there.
Dolly.
Let's
I'm not the food.
go.
Hey, you're missing a door.
We know.
Where's it at?
It was under all of that corn. Then come shut hunt in.
Hey, hey.
She bite you?
Maybe after
Want some
we
corn?
put that in, I can get it.
Want some corn?
I think they're getting too big for it.
Okay, want some corn?
No.
Look at this one.
Here.
Okay, it's so good now.
I got. You need to go. Oh, I got. Hopefully you don't gut me again. Sissy. Push.
Had a little corn shucking party. Now the goats are
Having a party too.
having a little corn party themselves. Alrighty guys, well that's all we got in today's video. You can see the, going to town on that. Oh, Albert over here has got a big mouthful. So they're enjoying this. But I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video today. If you guys have not subscribed to our channel at Morehead Homestead, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We got a lot of we got a lot of cool stuff really fixing to happen. This tree house deal is about to kick off. I'm working on the bunker to help store food and stuff like that for our family. For no telling what's going to go on in this country. So we're just trying to prepare for anything and prepare for the worst and pray for the best, right? So always be prepared, and like I said in previous video, it's never too late to start. So little Dolly finally got a mouthful.
She's not going to be able to eat it.
Dolly do!
Oh, look at Albert. Albert got one. He can't keep it in his mouth.
Alright guys, that's all we got. Thanks for watching. Until next time. God bless. What's so funny? Oh, she's nibbling on you? She's licking you?
Yes. We got the wagon.